Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to log into WorkHub. It's a very quick and simple steps. All you gotta do is follow along with me and you'll be logged into your WorkHub like that. So first thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. You can use any web browser you like. So let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. In that search bar, let's type in WorkHub login. And one thing is that you have to make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And now you'll be greeted with the login page. There's 2 empty fields. Now simply you have to type in your credentials. Let's type in our email at the very first and the password at the second field, and that's it. And also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's option at the very bottom, you can see forgot password. You can tap into that, and I'm hoping you have an account on WorkHub. But if you do not have an account and you want to create a new one, then you can tap in this option that says create account. So since we have already filled the empty fields with our credentials, all you gotta do is tap in that login button and you'll be logged into your WorkHub account. So logging into WorkHub is as simple as that. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment in the comment section down below. And if you want more videos and tutorials like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.